is the Gianni and Jaylen's Funhouse! I hope you like our first video. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and leave us a comments below. I hope we get 100 likes. We'll do a giveaway on the next episode. Tell all your friends to watch our video. If you like our videos, if we are going to take you on a big adventure. Today's activity is tie-dyeing t-shirts. That's right. All you need is instructions. Rubber band. Make sure you put plastic on the table because you don't want to make a mess on the table. Plastic gloves. Tie-dye kit. Water. T-shirts. And a grown-up to help you. Add water. Shake it until it dissolves. That's hot.
Okay, swirl.
After your swirl, you add 5 rubber bands.
Put it in one triangle. And you gotta make sure you put enough on there. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hold the bottle upside down.
Oh, look at this pink.
That's nice. Nice and bright.
Yeah, real nice and bright. I have to try to get everywhere, like.
Yeah, don't forget to turn it over and get the other side
I
too.
know. Man, this is real good pink. I'll just say that right now.
Okay.
Oh!
Okay.
Straight out the top.
Let me turn it over.
Let's see if I can.
Underside.
Right here?
Yes.
Oh wow, look at this green. This green looks good.
Push it up here so you don't get it on the floor.
This green looks nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what my shirt looks like. It looks like
Put a little bit more. You gotta put you gotta make sure it gets all the way in the t-shirt.
Alright, that's good,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, look at the other side and make sure you got enough color on it. Turn it over.
Turn it over.
Yeah, so you're missing some color in there.
I'm good. I think I'm good.
Okay, now
We have to wait 6 hours.
put it in the plastic bag.
And wait for 6 hours.
This
is the bullseye. Hi, I'm Gianni. I'm making a bullseye. I'm using black and blue. This is my shirt.
Okay.
It looks like a rocket, but it's not a rocket. So all we need is black and blue. How many colors do you want? It's kind of fine, but not 6 colors or higher. Spaces are on this. So make sure you don't put more than just 5 because it will ruin up your color and make it a nasty color.
Okay. to put that?
In the plastic bag for 6 hours, and we rinse our shirt and wash it. Keep watching if you want to see my shirt. Do you want to see what our shirts look like?
Yes, do you?
Yes. Oh yeah, it is my swirl. Let me see. At the front.
I can't see you, too close.
Can I put mine in?
This is the what pattern, Jaylen?
Crumble.
Crumble? Okay, let's throw it in the tub.
Woo. Woo. Now we're not gonna wash it, and then after it's all done, we'll pick it up and dry it. Give a big subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment below.
Jaylen, you're not looking. 1.
I hope you like our videos because we're all grown up to have parents.
No.
If you
That's fine.
you liked our video, I hope you subscribe.
No.
Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe.
And subscribe.
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 Go.
Well,
No. We hope you